This is Achelos, a Greek farmer and chemist. Achelos goes outside to go give his cows some water, but the cows refuse the water because the water's taste is so bitter. Achelos kind of finds this interesting, so he decides to go downstairs into his lab to conduct some experiments. Simply boiling the water in the cauldron overnight. He then goes to sleep. He wakes up excited to see his findings, but all he sees is a little bit of silver residue left in the cauldron. He finds this interesting, but not interesting enough. As he leaves his lab saddened, he spots a silvery object. He picks it up and it's a creature. This makes him happy. Over many years, Achilleos studies the metallic creature, such as chemical and physical properties. Magnesium is part of the alkaline earth metals. The scientist became old and decided to release his final experiment. The cat was locked in a compressed oxygen chamber for 6 years, turning the cat into pure oxygen. According to Achilleos' studies, oxygen can coat magnesium to protect air from corroding it. Achilleos' last words to his superhero, now named Magnesium, were, "Defeat the enemy, the world's enemy, sulfuric acid." Magnesium holds back her emotions and sets off into the world hoping to defeat sulfuric acid. Magnesium and her cat travel for 2 years to find the enemy. Along the way, she finds her two superpowers, being able to conduct enough electricity so she can shoot lightning bolts. She just hopes she doesn't suffer her weakness of overboiling and starting to suffocate. And when she reaches her boiling point of 1090 Celsius, she can turn into an invisible gas. Magnesium spots sulfuric acid, and sulfuric acid spots magnesium. Magnesium strikes her electricity, but nothing happens. And again, and again. But sulfuric acid is a good conductor and doesn't get hurt by the electricity. Magnesium tries to reach her boiling point, but she goes way far over, and she begins to suffocate. Sulfuric acid makes her way over. Sulfuric acid takes magnesium and begins to dissolve her. Magnesium is defeated.